Warning: the following video does not contain real-life stories and real-life incidents. This is a made-up one, so I hope you enjoy. This is not sponsored by anything, and you can use this as any time as a recording. Thank you, and enjoy the video. Viewer discretion is advised. Trains cannot go wherever they want to go. The driver cannot steer them as a regular car would. The tracks on a junction leads them to where they have to go. And the only way to do that is have a signal box and a signalman. Basically, mostly, sometimes can cause very extreme accidents. Most of them fall asleep, or most of them get so drunk that they do fall asleep. But any other way, the signalman in the signal box should never fall asleep and always should stay on tasks and watch for trains passing by. One such incident may caused it to happen. This happened in England, and that will change England history forever. This is called the explosion incident. In 1943, a GWR was shunting in the yards and was about to leave at exactly 8 a.m. The train consisted of large explosions such as gunpowder and diesel fuel for tankers. Meanwhile, an LNER A1 was waiting in the shunting yards to wait for the GWR to leave at exactly 8 a.m. to take the Navy Express to Hillsborough. Around 8 a.m., the GWR train left. Everything was going well. The train had just left the station, and he was going well along on the main line. But this would be his last travels on the main line for the rest of his life. You see, the signalman on the signal box was drunk, so he fell fast asleep in the signal box, waiting for the engine to pass. So when the engine passed, he woke up from the jolt from his speaker, saying,
"Red, you're passing around the junction."
He woke up with the bolt, seeing the engine passing by. When he saw what the time was right, he said,
Roger that. You're on the junction. Bye.
Thank goodness they made it to their stop, because that would be the last stop of their lives in the whole British history I could ever imagine. The LNER A1 was running a couple minutes late, so it went a full 100-mile-an-hour run with the army men inside it until they made it to the signal box. The signal box men fell asleep, not able to hear the whistle of the LNER A1's horn, which would be the last sound the train would ever hear in its whole entire life, because he forgot to switch the tracks to the right line. He realized that he was in the same track as the GWR. He told everybody to get down as quickly as they can, for he knew that it would brace impact. As soon as the station master heard, he told the GWR to go as fast as he could, knowing that it would brace for impact. But it was already too late. The people on the station were already getting for the war, and we were already collecting the bags of gunpowder and fuel. So it was already too late. As the LNER A1 curved around the bend, it put on its brakes, but it was already too late to save the train.